case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark 1976 case, the Kansas Supreme Court, Ranney v. Ranney, set a precedent that premarital agreements should be fair, ensuring they do not disproportionately benefit one party over the other. The case centered around Helen and John Ranney, a couple that had previously married in 1947, divorced in 1958, and decided to remarry in 1961. During their initial divorce, Helen received the home, furnishings, $25,000 in alimony, and child support. Before their remarriage, John prepared an antenuptial agreement, which he presented to Helen on the eve of the wedding without legal counsel, stating that both parties would keep their own property and John would continue making alimony payments from the previous divorce. The court initially upheld this agreement, awarding Helen the home, a replacement automobile, furnishings, and a 1/3 interest in a business property. However, Helen appealed the decision, arguing that the agreement was unfairly made and she should receive alimony and a share of the property. The Kansas Supreme Court ultimately reversed the trial court's judgment, remanding the case to determine the value of the parties' holdings and ordering alimony, property division, and support. The court found that the antenuptial agreement was unenforceable due to its unfairness, as it favored John by relieving him of any further obligations while allowing him to retain all property acquired during the marriage.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.